2017 Elantra. I think I did a video, released one a couple days ago or last week. Same vehicle, same condenser, Hyundai. Did I say Nissan? I don't remember, but it's a Hyundai. And remember in the last video, if you don't remember correctly, now here's the correct position that I made a video on that was the problem last time. So on this new condenser that they put in, this little metal piece right here, that's the extending bracket that brings out the factory hoses and tubes, it is in the proper location. So the line that comes from the compressor comes straight up. It's at a 90-degree angle. This is straight across. And this line is it's not munched up like a little pretzel, and it's not kinked in the middle, and it has little ripples in it because this is so close together, because that poor quality, supposedly economy insurance suggested OEM product, what was aftermarket, was a piece of shit. And the reason being is because you see this placement of these screws right here on that other aftermarket one, they were placed out here about this much further, like a whole half-inch further. And by placing this hose a half-inch farther this way, that means this is going to get crunched together. This hose goes up and it kinks internally, and it also puts stress. Now you see, if you look at this hose here, it's very straight as it comes out of the crimp. Right here at the ferrule, it comes out straight and it has a very light bend to it. This one's a little bit off, just a hair, but the other one was, it was bent up like this right out of the ferrule. It had a bend up like this. It was smashed in the middle because of the aftermarket. Those are what cause leaks later on, and when they're severe, they actually restrict the refrigerant on the really severe ones. And you'll put your finger here and you'll see it's a little warm, and you put your finger on the other side and you feel it's a little bit cooler, because it gets so crimped when they're smashed together and kinked. It goes like that, and it becomes a kink inside. It becomes a restriction, and it'll come out cooler on the other side because of an aftermarket condenser. In this case here, they have a machine right here, and they ran out of refrigerant. That's why I'm doing this. I do their YF refrigerant. But even though they have a place where they can get refrigerant literally 2 blocks up the road, the price of a refrigerant since the last time they purchased refrigerant was probably about $79, $119, and now they're $350, and the insurance company won't pay them the difference in markup, plus markup on price. Insurance doesn't want to pay body shops for markup. Won't let them mark it up to make it worth their while to actually even do the job anymore. And that's why I'm doing this one right here, is because it's not even worth them to make the phone call to have a tank of refrigerant delivered, because overhead cost and labor rate is so high that it's just not worth it. And even though this is a high volume shop, so let's fill this up. This 134 Elantra, what is a 2018, is going to be 500 grams. So I have the low side closed, I have the vacuum off, I have liquid refrigerant waiting to go into the high side valve that is open. The tank is there. The tank is zeroed out. And did I already do this and forget about it because I'm distracted in the video? And there we go. We want 500 grams. So I'm gonna open it up right here, and you're gonna see the weight go up. If we can focus. 1, 2, 3, go. So how long does 500 grams with the engine off take to put into a car? Well, just about that long. That's it. We're done. Finished. And that's how long it takes to put 500 grams into a car. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. I got to go over to the YF vehicle and get that one charged up now.